Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you this little cleaning powerhouse, the horsepower duck vacuum. If you're anything like me, keeping up with the small messes around the house can be a pain, but this gadget might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's dive in. First things first, the horsepower duck is compact, cordless, and powerful. It's got turbocharged suction that handles everything from crumbs to pet hair, and all without dragging around a bulky vacuum. Plus, it comes with 3 versatile attachments: a flexi-beak tube for tight spots, a slim beak tip for hard-to-reach spaces, and a feather brush nozzle for delicate surfaces. All included for free. I've been using the horsepower duck for a few weeks now, and honestly, it's been a game changer. I love how easy it is to grab when I need a quick cleanup. My dog leaves hair everywhere, and this little vacuum just sucks it all up in seconds. No more stressing out when friends come over. It's lightweight, portable, and gets the job done in no time. If you're looking for a quick and easy cleaning solution, I highly recommend giving the horsepower duck a try. I've got a link down in the description where you can grab yours at a special discount, so make sure to check that out. And hey, if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews on the latest products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.